Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this denim choker. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my choker. To create my choker I'll be using this denim cut-off material. I shortened the denim trousers and from these cut-offs I will be making my denim choker. First I'm cutting the strap for the neck. Basically I'm cutting the side seam of these denim jeans. And my strap for the neck will be 11 inches. It is 28 centimeters. And this is going to be my right side for my strap. Next, I'm cutting 3 pattern pieces for the flower. Each pattern piece is approximately 36 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Next, I'm cutting out almond style shapes on this pattern piece. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just randomly cutting them out of this pattern piece. This is how it looks. I'll repeat same process on all pattern pieces, and here they are. All pattern pieces are ready to make a flower choker. Next, I will make a flower from these 3 patterns. I have a needle and thread. I'm making a knot at the end of this pattern, and I'm making up and down stitch on the edge of this pattern. And when I reach the end, I join other pattern piece together like that, and I continue up and down stitch. And then I attach the 3rd pattern piece to other 2 pattern pieces, same way. And when I reach the end, I gather all 3 pattern pieces to approximately 30 centimeters long, like that. So I'm evening out all of the gathering there and making a knot at the end. Next, I'll roll this side of the denim inside, like that, so all gathering is even. And I'll be sewing those edges together like that, so they are all attached at the end there. The rest I will continue with hot glue. So basically I'm applying hot glue at the edge there and rolling all that gathering edge around it so it sticks together, applying more hot glue and gluing all those gathered edges together, pressing it together so they stick together. I'm gluing last edge to this gathering, squeezing quite hard so all sticks well, and my flower is finished. Next I'll prepare this neck strap. I'm applying hot glue at the edge there. I'm attaching this fastening clasp on top there and squeezing that clasp together with pliers. This is how it looks, and repeating same on other side with other clasp, gluing that clasp on top of that strap and squeezing it with the pliers, and my strap is finished. Next I will glue the flower on this strap. I'm applying hot glue off the center there, so it's kind of off the center, it's not in the middle, and I'm gluing this flower on the top like that, flattening the flower, making sure it is glued on properly. Looks like that. Next I will glue this felt fabric piece at the back, applying hot glue on this felt fabric piece and gluing that felt fabric piece at the back, so it's nice and soft on the neck. Applying more glue on a side of the flower on one side and other side, so the flower is securely glued on the strap. Next I'm brushing this flower with my hand, so I'm just trying to create a distressed look on this denim flower. As you can see, loads of denim bits are coming off and it looks quite cute. I'm brushing a bit more. all the sides are glued on both sides of this strap. So this is the left side, looks really nice and tidy, and this is the right side. And here's my finished denim flower choker. If you have any questions how I made this denim flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. I also made this denim flower choker with a thinner strap, and I made this denim flower choker with a thin ribbon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.